very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemate Square. So it's a very good morning from me here at the Northern Defences, here not really in the centre of Gibraltar but in the eastern part of Gibraltar. I wanted to start this video with a lovely backdrop of the view of the Rock and the airport, but unfortunately I've got halfway through the jungle as it's locally known and I can see it's completely closed. So if you come into Gibraltar, just remember this place is off limits. I didn't know that, and well, I've just been caught out. Today is the 17th of February 2026 and it is going to be an absolutely glorious day. This is the first day in 2026 where we expect the temperature to go above 20 degrees. We're actually expecting 21 degrees today. So I thought, what a perfect day to come out and let's take a stroll around Gibraltar. But I don't think I'm going to go our normal routes. I don't think we're going to go through the city centre, through Main Street or Irish Town. I want to start from here at the jungle and I want to end up all the way at the Alameda Gardens, but I want to take a different route, taking us through the back streets of Gibraltar, and let's just explore a bit of Gibraltar the tourists don't normally see, guys. So come join me on this beautiful spring morning adventure. Come on, guys. So that is as far as we can get. Let's make our way back through the jungle, or what we can access today, and let's try and take a look at some of the stunning views here through the cracks in the trees as we look over towards Ocean Village and the bay. So let's talk about the recent weather here in Gibraltar. The weather has been absolutely horrible, not just here in Gibraltar but southern Spain as well. We've been hit by storm after storm after storm. It's caused a lot of damage over the border. Luckily for us, we didn't get too much damage, so we were pretty unscathed. It's nice to see some sunshine, nice to see clear blue skies. If you come into Gibraltar this week, the weather is planning to stay like this all week. Not as warm as today, go back down to about 18 degrees, but still lovely weather, and I'm still sure better than the UK. In fact, I know it's better than the UK. What we're going to do now is we're going to carry on with our walk. I also want to mention that there's been a lot of earthquakes here in Gibraltar and the local area recently. Not big ones, just like 2.5 on the Richter scale, but they're happening daily. Now my predictions on this is that there is a huge one coming soon, a huge earthquake. We're 20 years overdue an earthquake here in Gibraltar. So we'll bring you all the action here on the channel when it hits, the earthquake 2026. Let's hope it's not too close to Gibraltar, but we'll be bringing you all the action if it does happen. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but we are due one. Due one on the size and scale that destroyed Lisbon in the 1700s. Can you imagine? A lot of stuff going on here in the area with the weather. Well, there we are. I know we went a little bit off piece there, but it is true. The region is due an earthquake, although I don't reckon it will hit Gibraltar. It may possibly happen out to sea, causing a tsunami. But let's enjoy the day and not think about any natural disasters as we take a look at that stunning view across the bay, and there is not a single cloud in the sky. As we pan around and we can see Ocean Village down there as well, the town of La Linea in the backdrop. Wow, it's absolutely lovely in the sun. The weather is stunning today, and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. We've actually got up and got out early today, which I'm pleased about. So We're not going to see too much of the jungle today, as we're only allowed in about a quarter of it before the gate. So as I say, we're going to head down over across town, but not the normal way we would go through town. We're going to head up into the Alameda Gardens because I just fancy seeing some nature, some greenery, some sunshine, but we'll take in the old streets of the old town here in Gibraltar as well. Absolutely stunning. I could just sit here all day and do a bit of sunbathing. I haven't seen the sun in a very, very long time. I've got to stop talking about the weather, I think, to be honest, but what we're going to do now is we're going to head through the tunnel. This is where it might be a little bit chilly. It's really nice in a t-shirt actually today. I did think, oh, I might still need a jacket. Nope, t-shirt is absolutely fine for this weather. We'll make our way through the tunnel, as I was saying before, and we're going to make our way over to the Alameda. Come on, guys. I should probably go for a job in the Met Office, the way I'm going on about the weather. But let's just take a look at the start of the path here, and does anyone recognise anything that has changed here on this path from our last visit? Or maybe you are a frequent visitor to this area. What has changed? I'll let you know shortly. Well, that is something that has seriously changed since our last visit to the jungle. There are no more trees left at the entrance. This used to be completely covered with trees. That's why it was called the jungle, but they've all been cut down. They've all been cut down to make way for a new tourist site that will be built here in the next, who knows, but we can see them building here. That's why we cannot access it today. I wonder what's happened to all the animals that lived in the jungle. Hopefully they managed to escape the bulldozers and chainsaws. But what a fantastic morning it is, and what beautiful views we are seeing from this vantage point, which is only a 5-minute walk from Casemate Square, which is just down below us. I think it's time to get off the defences now and do some more exploring. Come on, guys. Anyway, enough worrying about the animals. Let's crack on and let's just enjoy the scenery here, as we can see the start of the northern defences. And if we have a little look down, we've got a beautiful view of Casemate Square there down at the bottom of the ramp. So very easy to access if you are looking to visit the northern defences, but as I say, most of it is closed off, so probably give that swerve for now. Well guys, I don't know if you saw there, but there's a little bit of damage left over from the storms over the past few weeks. You can see some shutters on the floor, some overturned plant pots as well. I've never actually been in this part of the town before. This is all quite alien to me, so if I haven't been here, we definitely haven't been here on the channel. So let's explore new parts of Gibraltar. It's amazing to think that this is on my doorstep, just a 5-minute walk from my house. Yeah, I've never been down this path before. Come on, let's keep exploring. It's always good to see somewhere different, in my opinion. It's just a little bit of local knowledge I gain from this walk. Also, as we walk underneath this mini flyover and we take a look at the view of the city centre. One thing I will say is it's so peaceful up here. All you can hear is the birds singing. Absolutely lovely. It's crazy to think we are just a 5-minute walk into the city centre. I can't get over this weather. I can't believe our last video we did, we were in Norway, Sweden and Denmark, and Norway we saw -18 or whatever it was, and today we are looking at +21, so that is an increase of temperature by 43 degrees. Let's continue with our walk, guys, through this rather new and strange alley to me. So let's have a little pan around this new location. I am aware of the road above our heads. I have passed this road before and I am familiar with this clock tower, a part of the old Casbah when Gibraltar was a Moorish fortification. fantastic to see it still standing. And we can see these lovely little flats here at the top of these escalators. Now the escalators, you can see on the screen, are unfortunately not working, but I can imagine when they're working they can be very, very useful, but unfortunately the lady down there has to struggle. So I love the idea of the escalators here to help the people get up and down the rock, especially in this urbanised area of the old town. But unfortunately they don't work, and I wonder how long it has been since they worked. Maybe the council should take a little look at that, because I can imagine it being really beneficial for residents, especially if you're elderly in this area. But it's a beautiful, beautiful part of town. As I said, I've never been in this part of town, and it's quite fun to explore new parts of the place that you live, and you've been living for several years. So come on guys, let's keep exploring. So I'll be very honest, I never knew this path led out to my favourite street in all of Gibraltar. This is Castle Steps. Now, I absolutely love this street, and I really think that they could utilise this street more often when it comes to selling Gibraltar's tourism by putting it on a postcard, for example. Well, I'm sure we all recognise where we are now. We're just by Castle Steps, my favourite part of Gibraltar. Let's make our way down this back alley. We have been down this one before, and it is in one of my previous videos, I think, titled Upper Town. So have a look if you want to see this street more in depth, but let's make our way through this ancient part of Gibraltar with all these little side streets down here and beautiful architecture. You could definitely be in a different country. Well, obviously if you're watching this in the UK or anywhere else in the world, we are in a different country, but you know what I mean. I think the residents of the Upper Town area do an absolutely fantastic job of keeping this place very well decorated with loads of plants and greenery. Now, something very interesting about this street is that it used to be home to brothels, the main brothel district of Gibraltar. Now, I'm not sure if this is still the case, but something very interesting to find out about that part of town, which I didn't know. But we've made it down to the convent here as we make our way to the Alameda, and we are here at the main gates of the city of Gibraltar. Just a couple of minutes walk and we're almost at the Botanic Gardens, but we can see the construction work taking place here on the cable car, and we see they've actually taken the cable down. But here we are at the entrance of the Botanic Gardens, and let's take a little pan shot here as we've got a beautiful water feature, and it's just nice to get into the nature once again today. So as you can see, the cable car is now closed. It's closed for approximately 2 years, but this is Gibraltar, so it'll probably be about 4 years. They are renovating it completely. They're making a whole new cable car system, so that'll be interesting, and hopefully we'll still be here to catch that. So what does that mean if you want to visit the Upper Rock Nature Reserve on your trip here to Gibraltar, but there's no cable car? How do you do it? Well, there's only two ways. The first way is by walking, and the second way is by taking a scheduled taxi tour. So those are your two options really. And well, if you've got legs, I would say use them. If you haven't got legs, well, take the taxi. So that's my advice. But absolutely stunning in here today. I didn't realise how busy the Botanic Gardens would be. So let's just take a walk around, take a little look, and I think that will be the end of today's video. Come on guys. So I do like practicing my nature shots, and we are following this red admiral butterfly. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think I'm right, as we take a look at these wonderful cactus plants that you can find all over these Botanic Gardens. Now we cross the bridge that goes over the Dell. The Dell is one of the most popular wedding venues here in Gibraltar and here in this stunning location. what a wonderful little park to visit here, the Alameda Gardens, here in the centre of Gibraltar. If you're lost for something to do for the day when you're visiting Gibraltar, I highly recommend this place, and I don't know how many times I have recommended this place on the channel. Definitely worth a visit. It's hard to get off this bench, to be honest. I just want to sit here all day, but the video needs doing. We need to keep exploring, and who knows, maybe I'll be able to do another video today, as it's such a beautiful day and we've started the day so early. As I look at the time now, it is slowly approaching 1:30 in the afternoon, so maybe we could squeeze in another video in Gibraltar today. Who knows, you'll have to stay tuned and see if we did. What we're going to do now is we're just going to finish our final lap of this wonderful Botanic Garden, and I think that'll be the end of the episode, guys. So come on, it's time to get off this bench and to keep plodding on. So let's take a look at the open air theatre here, and it is finally open to the public. The reason it is open to the public is because there is a little cafe in here, which we'll take a look at in just a second. So this is the new cafe that has opened, and if anyone likes koi carp on this channel, then I hope you appreciate these shots. But let's take a look at this yellow bellied slider. Now this is a terrapin, and unfortunately this guy is not a native species. He is a released pet, although we do have native species here in the park. Wow guys, how cool was that? Another channel first. We got to take a look inside the open air theatre. Normally it's completely closed to the public, but they've opened that cafe now, so you can go in and you can take a look, and it was brilliant to see those koi carp there, as well as that sunbathing terrapin. I think that's going to be it from me here in the Alameda Gardens. It has been a fantastic walk this morning, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And it's just lovely to see the sun out. If you come into Gibraltar this week, then the weather is going to be more or less like this, as I say, just maybe a couple of degrees cooler. But from me here in the Alameda Gardens in the centre of Gibraltar, thank you for watching as always, guys, and I shall see you all on the next adventure.